Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to list a digital item or a digital download. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this home page or with this main screen, and of course with the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. If you are now logged in into your account, or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner, instead of those icons, a sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you'll be able to create one. Of course, you will be able to do those both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and it will be even much faster. So once you did one of those options, as I said, you'll find yourself here with this home or with this main screen, and of course with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to add a digital listen or a digital download. So simply, if you want to do that, just go and click at the shop icon at the top right corner, which is the shop manager. Then click at the listen option here at the left. That will take you into this page where here you're gonna find the items that you already listed in your shop, or if you don't have any listen, you can just go and click at add the listen here at the top right corner. For me, I cannot click on that because my account is suspended, but once you click on that, you will find this page for you. So let me just go here and show you an existing listing I have. So of course, when you have that, you will have to fill every mandatory or necessary option. You will recognize that by the star icon right here, and of course just fill them all. You can, and the optionals one, you can fill them or you can let them as if they are. Of course, if you want to list a digital option, just scroll down to kind of the bottom of the page, or sorry, it's not here at the bottom. Let's just check for it. Hey, here is it. Yeah, here is it. So as you can see, you will find it here kind of in the middle of the page, and as you can see here, we have the type, we have the physical or the digital. So of course you would like to choose the digital, and of course then click at publish. Instead, you will not find save here, you will find publish. So once you finish, you will be good to go. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.